Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review. Grade 1 Spelling Quiz. B words. Spell the word siblings. She is the youngest of 5 siblings. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word castles. This castle is beautiful. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word patients. He specialized in treatment of cancer patients. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word expressions. By the expression on his face, he is happy. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word turquoise. The room was painted in turquoise. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word directions. Carefully read the directions before you begin the test. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word collage. We made collage in art class. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word experiments. The science experiment failed. And the answer is letter A. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane Online Quiz.